In this video, I'm going to show you how I make realistic looking UGC video ads made completely out of AI, and they look a little something like this.
Seriously, I've been there, trying everything under the sun and still feeling like my skin was just stuck.
I'll walk you through the steps on how to do research on viral videos on your niche so you can replicate them, a prompt that'll save you a huge amount of time when it comes to generating a hook and scripting, and how to bring it all to life using your own custom AI avatar. And to make this video a little bit more interesting, I'm going to be using 3 different AI platforms to generate UGC video ads for the same product. So downloading B-roll, depending on what product you're looking to advertise. So I'm doing Mary Louise Cosmetics, and I am doing this miracle serum on their website. And in order to find the B-roll, you're going to have to go on their social media, such as their TikTok or Instagram, and then just find videos where the product is being used or opened, or there's just packaging of the product, and that can be used as your B-roll in your UGC video ads. So what you want to do is just go on Save TT and download the TikToks to be used as your B-roll. And then just repeat the process until you get enough footage. Next, you want to do research on UGC videos in your actual niche. So since this is skincare, vitamin C product, you're going to want to look for something that's related to that. The main purpose for this research is to find videos that have really good hooks that you can implement into your own video. And if the video is performing well, that's a good signal that the hook is working and it will work for your video.
If you struggle with dark spots like I used to, let me put you on.
After finding your winning hook, you're going to want to use this ChatGPT prompt in order to personalize that hook towards your product. I'll be providing the prompt in the description below, but all you have to do is just replace the yellow highlighted text. So insert the hook that you got, the product name, what the product solves, as well as the product description. So after giving this prompt to your ChatGPT bot, it'll give you a new hook that's tailored exactly for your product. Next is a prompt for your actual script. It's the same thing, except it just needs the features for the product to give more information for the viewer. And the script is going to be broken down in the ADA framework. So attention, interest, desire, and action, which is the perfect framework to turn viewers into customers. Okay, so now that you have your B-roll and you have your script, it's time to get an AI avatar. So the first website I used was CreatorKit. And this one was pretty simple because it gave me a lot of options for the AI avatars. I just picked the first one to keep it simple. And all I had to do was actually input the website link for the product, and it created the ad for me automatically just from that.
Struggling with stubborn acne scars and uneven skin tone? I used to be so frustrated seeing scars that never seem to fade.
The process was actually pretty seamless. The only issue was that I had to manually upload the B-roll that I downloaded, since it tried using an automatic web page capture that didn't really work as intended. The second AI platform I used was Creatify. So this allowed me to either design my own avatar using a description or to upload myself as an avatar, but I just decided to choose this one because it was pretty decent.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai.
So with this platform, you actually have a lot more creative freedom. So I'm able to choose the caption styles. I'm able to edit on the timeline. So here I'm basically just adding the B-roll that I downloaded and just essentially make a more professional looking UGC ad by doing my own style. And the editing doesn't have to be fancy. All you really need is your AI avatar to be talking in the beginning, and then transitioning into a green screen type of video where the avatar is in front of the screen with the B-roll in the background. So the next platform I used was UGC Ads.ai. So obviously we're doing skincare, so we have to use another girl. And look who I found. It's our girl Destiny. She's following us. So there's a feature called edited ads, and it's in beta. So essentially what you can do is just paste the link for your product and it'll create the ads using the media from the product page, just like the first one. And this one is a lot more customizable. You can do 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, the size, and you can also target a specific audience as well as change your caption style. What's interesting about this one is you can actually choose a script format. So you can write your own script or you can choose a AI optimized one. I decided to go with the 3 reasons why script. And then you can also select the visual style of the ad as well. So, I had to choose our girl Destiny since she did help us with the previous ad.
Are you tired of battling acne scars and uneven skin tone?
Since this was a free trial, I couldn't render it without it actually charging me, so I had to cancel the free offer. But now I'll show what all 3 UGC ads looked like from all 3 platforms, and you can decide which one looks the best.
Struggling with stubborn acne scars and uneven skin tone? I used to be so frustrated seeing scars that never seem to fade. Then I found Mary Louise Cosmetics Miracle Serum. It's this multi-purpose serum packed with natural ingredients like baobab and rosehip oil that nourishes. Say goodbye to blemishes, use it daily, morning and night, and see results in just a few weeks. Grab yours today and embrace radiant skin.
Hey, if you're battling acne scars, dark spots, or uneven skin tone like I was, you need to hear about this. Seriously, I've been there, trying everything under the sun and still feeling like my skin was just stuck. I started using this miracle serum, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. It's packed with natural ingredients that really work. It calms any redness, inflammation, and hydrates my skin like a dream while evening out my tone. My skin is brighter than it's been in years. If you've been struggling like I was, trust me, you've got to try this. Get your hands on Miracle Serum and start loving your skin again. You'll thank yourself, and maybe me later. Here are 3 reasons why you need the Miracle Serum in your life. First, it's packed with proven natural ingredients like vitamin C and E, known for brightening and protecting your skin. Second, the unique blend of baobab and rosehip seed oils deeply nourishes and calms inflammation, giving you a soothing experience. And lastly, you can expect visible results in just 2 to 4 weeks. Radiance and clarity are just a few drops away. Don't miss out on your chance for gorgeous skin.
So there you have it. That is how you can create realistic looking UGC videos using only ads. But in my opinion, I do believe it still needs a bit of polishing as the AI industry is still growing and it still doesn't look like the real deal. But if you're looking for something that's cost efficient, saves you time, then this is not a bad alternative as opposed to hiring people and actually paying lots of money to UGC creators. With enough time and effort using the tools that I provided in this video, I think you can make some pretty decent UGC videos that can get sales for your business.